everyone, today we are looking at question 9 now. As you can see over here, it says that triggers had a total of 8.7 meters of ribbons at first. Okay, nothing much to write. Okay, then when I read on to the next one, it tells me in sentence number 2 that they used the same. Okay, because of the word same, okay, you need to be very alert. Okay, when I see something like this, I know that this is what we call equating numerators, EN. Okay, now, so we know they use the same. Now, sentence number 3 says that I use 40% of her ribbon. 40%, we want to change that to 40 over 100. And when I do 40 over 100, I get to 2 over 5. Okay, so we are going to start with Isla. Okay, so she used 2 over 5. Okay, if she used 2 over 5, you must tell me that the hidden information has to be 3 over 5. Okay, now then we move on to the next person. B Huan, so we put BH. Okay, used 10% of her, so 10% is basically 1 over 10. So what is left? 9 over 10. Finally, Kelly used 50%, so that's half. So I'm left with half. Do you remember just now we said in sentence number 2 that they used the same amount, isn't it? So what we want to do is to make the numerator the same. They do not have the same total, but they do have the same amount of ribbon used. Okay, so we are going to make the numerator the same. You can see that the numerator has to be made to 2. All right, so over here, what we will get to 2 over 4. Over here, I will get to 2 over 10. And for Isla, it is already 2. Okay, so we don't have to do much. For this itself, I will also do the same. So we get to 18 over 20. I apologize. Over here, this has to be 20. Okay, so 2 over 20. I apologize for that. Okay, then over here, you times 2, and this you get to 2 over 4. Okay, so once this is done, right, what you can see here is this, is that since they have 8.7 meters of ribbon at first, okay, this is the total. And total, we always look at the denominator. Okay, so what is Isla's total? Isla's total is 5 units. What is B Huan's total? B Huan's total is 20 units. What is Kaylee's total? That is 4 units. So when I add these 3 up together, okay, I will get to 29 units. And we know that 29 units is basically equals to 8.7 meters. What I want to do is I want to always find 1 unit. So 8.7 divided by 29, we get to 0.3 meters. Now the question says how many centimeters? Okay, so later towards the end, I will change to cm of ribbon was left in the end. So left in the end, that means to say I look at what is over here. Okay, so one by one, let's talk about Isla. Isla is 3 units. Okay, for B1 is 18 units, for Kaylee is 2 units, right? Where did I get all of this from? Let me just highlight to you. I look at the numerator because they say left. So left is a part of it. All right, if it is a part of it, you always look at the numerator. Okay, so we have 18, we have 3, we have 2 over here. So 18 plus 2 is already 20, 20 plus 3, that gives me 23 units. So if 1 unit is 0.3, 23 unit will then be 0.3 times 23, and we get to 6.9 meters. Now I want to change to centimeters. Everyone, please remember that 1 meter equals to 100 cm, not 1000, okay? So in order for me to find 9 meters, I just have to do 6.9 times 100, and I'll get to 690 cm, okay? Simple things like that, you know, do write it out as well, okay? Or remind yourself as you recite, as you speak, or as you do the questions, okay? So that's all I have for you for this question. Bye.